Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're using the Philips Series 2200 EP2230 and want to make creamy, cafe-style milk foam at home, you might be wondering how to use the frothing system properly. Many users either get thin foam or no foam at all, simply because the milk settings or technique aren't quite right. Since this machine is designed to automate the process, a few small adjustments can completely change the result. The best thing is that once you understand how to position the milk container and use the steam system, you can get rich, smooth froth every time for your favorite coffee drinks. Try these. Step 1. Fill the milk container with cold, fresh milk. Step 2. Attach the milk system or steam wand properly. Step 3. Select a milk-based drink or steam function on the panel. Step 4. Allow the machine to draw and froth the milk automatically. Step 5. Adjust foam level if your model allows custom settings. Step 6. Rinse the milk system after use to keep it clean and hygienic.